Strike is a revolutionary platform designed for seamless crypto payments, specializing in Bitcoin transactions. It enables users to send and receive Bitcoin easily without needing to worry about complex wallets or high transaction fees. The platform focuses on simplicity, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced crypto enthusiasts. Whether you're looking to pay instantly with Bitcoin or convert your USD to BTC without hidden costs, Strike has got you covered. The platform's interface is user-friendly, with straightforward navigation that simplifies the process of sending, receiving, and storing Bitcoin. One of its standout features is its ability to facilitate global payments at lightning speed, with minimal fees compared to traditional banking systems. Users can also connect their bank accounts directly to Strike, making it easier than ever to integrate Bitcoin transactions into everyday financial activities. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. One of Strike's most remarkable aspects is its ability to bypass conventional financial barriers. By utilizing the Bitcoin Lightning Network, it ensures instant transaction confirmation, making it a game-changer for international remittances. The platform supports cross-border payments with low fees, enabling businesses and individuals alike to operate with more flexibility and fewer costs. Strike also emphasizes security, providing users with encrypted transactions and reliable storage options. With its built-in fraud protection measures and compliance with financial regulations, you can trust that your funds are secure while using the platform. Moreover, Strike is continually evolving, introducing new features to make Bitcoin payments even more accessible. Don't miss out. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. Your support helps us create more in-depth reviews and guides just like this one.